Have you ever wished you could get AI to do exactly what you want? Whether it's writing an essay, drafting code, or generating artwork, there's one secret skill that makes all the difference: prompt engineering. So, what is prompt engineering, and how can you get started? Let's break it down. Prompt engineering is basically the art of asking AI the right questions in the right way to get the best possible answers. It's not just about typing some words and hoping for the best. It's about being clear, specific, and sometimes even creative with your instructions, what we call prompts. For example, if you just say, "Tell me about dogs," you'll get a basic answer. But if you say, "Describe the behavior, characteristics, and care of domestic dogs," suddenly, you get something way more detailed and useful. That's prompt engineering in action. But why does this matter? Well, the better your prompt, the better your results. If you want AI to help you write articles, code, create art, or even analyze data, nailing your prompts means you get better value from the technology. You save time, avoid frustration, and you can actually control what you get out of the AI. It's like being the director of your own movie, and AI is your actor. What you say shapes what it does. Now you might be thinking, this sounds techie. Do I need to be a programmer? Not at all. If you can write a question, you can start with prompt engineering. Sure, if you're into programming or natural language processing, you'll pick up some advanced stuff more quickly. But anyone, students, writers, business folks, you name it, can learn the basics and see instant results. So, how do you actually learn prompt engineering? Here's a simple roadmap. First, start with the basics. Learn what generative AI is and how prompts affect its answers. Free guides like Learn Prompting are a brilliant starting point. Next, experiment for yourself. Fire up ChatGPT or Bard and see how changing your prompt changes the output. After that, try an online course. Places like Udemy or DataCamp offer loads of practical lessons and real-world tips. Along the way, focus on clarity, context, precision, and even role-play. For example, instead of just write a report, try as a data analyst, write a report on last quarter's sales trends. If you're feeling adventurous, explore advanced topics like ethics, model limitations, and combining AI with other tools. And don't forget to join the community. Forums and Discord groups are brilliant for sharing tips and getting feedback. Let's look at a real example. A weak prompt: summarize this article. A strong prompt: summarize this article in 3 bullet points, focusing on the main arguments and evidence. See how much more useful that is? That's the magic of prompt engineering. So keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, stay curious. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and happy prompting.